This is a 2008 Audi TT. It features a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, a locking differential, heated washer fluid, alloy wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a toolkit, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, 3-point rear seat belts, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 52,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Phil Long Used Cars is located at 1510 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.